So before coming to Kangundi, I had no idea what to expect. We just spoke to Sanjay sir, and he told us to come here to this village, and it was a surprise for us that we came here at night, and the morning I woke up and came on this terrace and saw this view of the beautiful mountain Malleshwar temple here, and that was mesmerizing. That was amazing to see. And about our homestay, the homeowners are very kind, very beautiful, very heartwarming, welcoming. We have been staying with them for 5 days, and they have been constantly asking us for food, coffee, everything, which is like, it feels like home to me. So I am not missing my home at all. This is I'm loving this, and I would love to stay here for a long time. So first new thing. So first thing that it's not about exactly the homestay, but for the first time in my life, we had our birthday banner on the main road of this village. So that was a big surprise. That was something new for me.
What you have done past 5 days?
So we belong to an adventure company called Adventure Mantra, and we have been training the youth, the kids here for adventure. We have been training them for bouldering, we have been training them for rock climbing, and if we want to build the tourism here, how can we improve that? We are just teaching them that. So definitely the hospitality, I will say 10 out of 10, no doubt. I mean, amazing hospitality. All the people here, be it the homeowners or anybody in the town, they are very welcome, very warm. So I am absolutely loving it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pramila. I work with Adventure Mantra. My Adventure Mantra team is from Pune. So we have been so many places in India, like from cities to cities for the camps, for the training sessions also. But in Kangundi, it was a totally different experience for us, for every team member we have. About the homestay, the people are here, the kids were coming for the training. They were so excited, they were so kind to help, they were so helpful, and especially I wasn't expecting so many girls participation from this village, but the day came. On the first day it was the number was less, but after 1 or 2 hours the influence of the training session is going on was so good that more girls were participating in this, and I was so happy about that the participation of girls, they have potential in them, they have strength in them. Like nothing was challenging for us, so they were so friendly, like we can talk about anything. The girls were talking about, they were so excited to learn the new things, and I'm personally really happy to be in here, and like no words, nothing was to point out. Everything was perfect. Rating for the homestay, it is 10 out of 10. For food, we had so many places. We have been so many places in the homes for the dinners and for the lunch. So everywhere we had different things. Like we never had that food in our city life, and that's also so healthy food we are getting here. So I'm happy about the food. The food was perfect. So yeah, for the food, it is 10 out of 100 out of 10. I can say. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So hello, I am Sai Vurkute from Pune. We have come to Kangundi village, and we've been staying here since 13 September. It's been 5 days that we are here, and we have come for a training sessions to the localite kids over here. And our experience about the homestays here has been amazing. The people are extremely kind and welcoming, super helpful. I mean, even though there is a language barrier, but still people are trying to understand and help us through anything and everything that we need. So it has been a great experience staying in Kangundi. So overall, I would rate 10 on 10 for the hospitality and everything that we did experience in Kangundi for the last 5 days. Thank you so much.
Last 5 days of experience, very difficult to put it in one word. So it's been a lot of things happening. It seems like we've been here for a very long time, but it's just been 5 days. But that is because this place has so much to offer, okay? And so many new experience in Kangundi. So like first day when we traveled here, when we arrived in Kangundi, it was during the night. And so when we arrived, there was already one huge surprise for us, which was amazing on the part of the team. But other than that, we saw one huge halogen light on this mountain. This mountain that we see at the back. So this huge halogen light, and we were just thinking how this must look in the morning. And then when we woke up in the morning, and I saw this view, and which is visible from the entire village of Kangundi, this hill which is there in the back, it's amazing. And wherever you go throughout Kangundi, the village, entire village, any house you go, you see the view, and it gives you that positive energy. So you're doing any activity, you're feeling tired, drained, you look here, you feel that positive energy. So that is amazing. Other than that, so the homestay, we were staying in homestays, which was again a very amazing experience with the homestays. The best part that I found was that the families are very welcoming. So they make you a part of their family. So in the last 5 days, they made us a part of their family, and it's very usually it is difficult to do it in such a small amount of time, but it was amazing. They did it really well, and it's very helpful, very caring people. Everywhere we were going, everyone was giving us beautiful smiles and talking to us, asking us what we are doing here. So it was amazing. So while we were here for the training session that we conducted for the young group of Kangundi, initially on the first day, the participation, it was a little hesitant. People didn't know what we are doing, why they are attending the session. But slowly, we noticed that people who didn't know also were coming and attending the sessions, trying to learn more about bouldering, about climbing, about the different sessions that we had in the office on first aid or the no-touch policy. How do you talk to tourists? How do you build communication? And the participation from everyone, the entire youth of Kangundi was really amazing. And today is the 5th day. So on the 5th day, everyone is slightly more confident. They are speaking to each other. They are talking about climbing. They are talking about bouldering, which was amazing to even observe and see that just in a period of 5 days, this change has happened already, and it is going to continue to happen in the going forward. So we are very confident that going forward, Kangundi has Kuppam Kangundi has amazing things to offer. Lots of wildlife, lots of bouldering spots, lots of climbing spots, lots of house stays, beautiful house stays where the people are welcoming. And there are also a lot of places to visit around Kangundi. So beautiful place, beautiful people, beautiful activities to conduct here, lots of things to do. So this has been my experience in just 5 days, and it feels like there is still a lot more. There is a lot of history to Kangundi. There is a lot of places which has a lot of significance in the history. So slowly I want to also come back, learn more about these places. So yeah, I mean, I was going to explain it in only one word, but like I mentioned, it's not possible to do it in just one word. So that's been my experience, and with a heavy heart, today will be our last day in Kangundi. But we'll definitely come back, because the bonding that we've made here with everyone has been really amazing, and something that we cannot stay away from for a very long time. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Vicky. Thank you so much. Yes.